It's IBC2025. We're in a very busy Hall 7 on the AGA booth, and we've been doing a few videos here with Andy. This time I'm joined with Abe. Hi Abe, how you doing?
I'm doing great. Good to see you again.
Always good to see you, mate. Now we are looking at openGear here.
We are.
You've been associated with openGear for a long time, haven't you?
Yeah, I'd say about 15 years. I mean, long enough to the point where I'm saying about a certain amount of years. So quite a while. It's been a long relationship. We love our openGear.
We do, and the simplicity of it, and we can come on to that, but just give us a run through what we're looking at here on your openGear wall.
Yeah, well, we here we have a basic, a small sampling of our openGear products. This certainly isn't all of them, but it's just kind of a sampling of what we do. AJA has been known for many, many years, 30 plus years, for our mini converters. So
yeah,
just little bits of digital glue, analog to digital, digital to analog, distribution amplifiers, HDMI to SDI, all that. So we started putting those converters into the openGear form factor because, well, openGear really lends itself well to high density installations, any place where there's space constraints, small studios, trucks, cruise ships, all that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
So it's a really, really flexible platform, and it's flexible in that, it's small, it's modular, it's easy to control all of these things with the ROS dashboard application. And then you can also mix and match. I mean, you have an openGear frame with multiple different converters from multiple manufacturers in there. And that's really cool because that's kind of what AJA is all about, is interoperability and ease of use. So yeah, what we have here is just kind of a small sampling. We have some of our fiber converters. So these are our famous FIDOs. They're usually known as little throwdown converters. So these are the openGear versions. So fiber to SDI, SDI to fiber receivers. We have them in 12G and 3G flavors. We have basic distribution amplifiers, 2x4s, 1x8s, and these are in 12G or 3G. Then we have, we started making some of our more fancy converters, some of our more advanced things in openGear form factor, things like our Dante 12G AM. So that's actually, kind of a network capable card where it hooks up to your network and it'll grab Dante audio off of a network and embed it into an SDI stream, or grab embedded audio off of SDI and turn it into Dante, have that going flying around in your network on your facility. Then we also started making our ColorBox in openGear form factor, which is a really advanced, pretty much the most advanced inline color processor in the industry. We put it in openGear form factor so people could have 10 channels of it in 2 rack units. It's massively convenient. So we love us some openGear.
So how do you decide, or do you, all of your mini converters, which I guess are designed first, how do you decide to then transition to openGear, or is it just a given that you're going to do an openGear card?
A lot of the times it just makes sense. Like, our basic distribution amplifiers, we just know like you're going to want that in mini converter and openGear form factor. But all the other ones, we listen to our customers. That's another thing that AJA is all about. It's my job. I go out into the field, I talk to customers, I talk to our end users, and I figure out what their problems are, and then we build products to solve those problems. We have an example with the Dante 12G AM, the OG Dante 12G AM. That card was built as openGear first, and that was because our customers that needed that particular product, they're like, no, we're an openGear facility. We'd love just some cards we can shove into this rack frame and affect, literally with one of these frames, hundreds of channels of Dante audio, embed and disembed. And then we went and made it in a mini converter later because a couple other people wanted that. So it's really all just based on customer feedback. We love listening to our customers. They know what they're doing.
Well, and as you say, those customers only have to learn one interface as well.
Yes.
Multi-vendors, one interface, one menu system for everything.
Yes. And nobody likes convoluted user interfaces. And let's face it, we're a hardware company. We make hardware. We do make lots and lots of software products and things like that. But, a good user interface, when a company like ROS puts out a good universal user interface like that, it's awesome. We love using something like that. And I love telling my customers, it's okay if you have boards from other manufacturers in your frame and you add our boards, you're still going to control them all with one application. It's so convenient.
So the boards that you mentioned, your new ones, are they available now?
Yes, absolutely. Pretty much everything in this booth is available now to at least order, but the new openGear converters, the OG Dante 12G AM and the OG ColorBox, they're fully shipping. Actually, we're shipping them out rapidly. They're going out the door as fast as we can build them. It's really, really popular stuff.
That's good to know. Good to know. If people aren't here in Amsterdam, where can they find more information on the openGear and the whole range of AJ products?
Our website is super awesome. Our folks do a great job with it. It's easiest URL on earth, aja.com. We always have people calling us up. They want to buy that URL because it's only 3 letters. So I'm like, no, it's too easy. I can say it on these videos without messing it up. Yeah, aja.com. You check out our product pages. You can get PDFs of all the manuals. We've got workflow diagrams. We've got demonstration videos. Or you can just contact sales at AJA, and we're happy to reach out to you. I mean, you can always get someone here at AJA Video.
Amazing. Or if you're at IBC, right in the middle of Hall 7.
Absolutely, right here. I'm happy to talk to anybody.
Abe, thank you very much indeed. Do check out the other videos we've done on the AJA booth with Andy. And for everything else we're doing at the show, that's at kitplus.com.